Success, it's called, a creature to pursue, and with wings of hope, it flits into view. It stands as merry in the meadows of the mind, a playful waltz, a treasure to find. Yet as we reach, it takes to the air, a challenge to catch, a journey so rare. Picture success as a journey through the vast, uncharted landscape of nature. Imagine standing at the foot of a towering mountain, the peak shrouded in mist, and your dreams lie at its summit. Jim Rohn's wisdom reminds us that success is not a destination that you chase, but rather a magnetic force that draws you in as you transform into the person you were meant to be. In this metaphorical landscape, your goals are like the stars, guiding ancient mariners across the seas. They illuminate your path and grant you direction. Setting specific, meaningful goals is akin to plotting your course through the wilderness. Without them, you'd wander aimlessly, lost in the forest of life. Yet the true magic of this journey lies in the transformation it bestows upon you. The pursuit of your goals is not solely about external accolades. It's an internal metamorphosis. With each step you take, you evolve into the person that your dreams demand. It's as if you're absorbing the wisdom of ancient trees, the resilience of mountain peaks, and the adaptability of flowing rivers. Consistency becomes your loyal companion, akin to the dependable seasons of nature. It's the daily choices and routines that, like the steady dripping of water on a rock, create astonishing results over time. Success, as Jim Rohn emphasizes, arises from the commitment to your daily rituals, the habits that build your journey brick by brick. Self-improvement is the fertile soil that nurtures your growth. Think of it as the nourishing earth in which your potential takes root. Engage in lifelong learning, cultivate your skills, and tend to the garden of your character. Just as nature constantly renews itself, so too should you. Dedication and perseverance are your unwavering guides, akin to the North Star that sailors relied on for centuries. Challenges, like turbulent seas, will test your resolve. But just as the strongest trees stand firm in the face of storms, your determination will see you through adversity. Stay focused on your goals, as a mariner keeps their eyes on the horizon. In the sprawling forest of life, distractions are abundant and self-doubt lurks like a shadowy figure in the underbrush. Your vision is your compass leading you towards the life you envision. Your daily choices are the footsteps that carry you closer to your destination. Choose your companions with the care that a naturalist selects their fellow explorers. Seek mentors and role models who are like experienced guides through the wilderness. Their wisdom is the wisdom of ages, and their guidance is the light that pierces through the thickest forest. In nature, it's often said that you become the average of the elements you're exposed to. Choose wisely, for the people you surround yourself with significantly shape your perspective and aspirations. Success is not an elusive summit, but a transformative journey through the vast and beautiful landscape of life. Embrace your goals as guiding stars. Let consistency be your faithful compass, and cultivate self-improvement as if nurturing a garden. Dedication and perseverance will be your sturdy hiking boots, and your vision is the torch that lights your path. Last words. You'll find that success is not a distant mirage, but a radiant force, drawing you nearer, waiting for your arrival at the summit of your aspirations. Consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.